Hey everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to fix the Battlefield 6 unknown error, or DICE Online Error Unknown issue on PC. Right-click the Start menu and select Task Manager. If you see Battlefield 6 running, right-click it and choose End Task. If you see EA Anti-Cheat running, end that task as well. This ensures no processes are stuck in the background. Open the EA app. Go to Manage for Battlefield 6 and click Repair. Let the repair process reach 100%. If updates are needed, they'll install automatically. If you're playing on Steam, open your library. Right-click Battlefield 6. Open Properties. Click on Installed Files. Press Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait until the verification completes. Steam will replace any missing or corrupted files. Launch the game again. If an update prompt appears, let it complete. You shouldn't see the error anymore. That's it. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick PC fixes. Thanks for watching.